Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ki hal chal ne saaryan de. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you some contour placement you need to know. Okay, so let's start. The chiseled jawline. Okay, draw a line at the end of your jaw towards the corner of your chin. It's going to create a natural shadow that's going to change your face. Make sure to press the shape in place and your neck also. It's really a game changer. Doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy. And now the model contouring. Okay, to look like you got a surgery. And now you have to blend it inside and upside the cheekbone. Okay, and now I'll show you a lifted and a snatched cheekbone. Fill this triangle, we'll bend it. I hope you all can see the difference. So that's all for today and see you in the next video. Bye bye.